Are you really listening when you're having a difficult conversation? Well, if you'd like to know how to make sure you are, then stay tuned to this week's 2-minute top tip. So it's very easy in a difficult conversation for us to keep presenting our view, the reason for change, the problems that exist, the things that have been going around in your head that you know you need to tackle and are now tackling by bravely having a difficult conversation. However, when this happens, when we're presenting our view, we can often miss a great opportunity to really understand what's going on for the other person, to really hear what they're saying, and ultimately to make the conversation more successful. A way to overcome that, or to at least keep it in a good balance, forms today's 2-minute top tip. And that is, be aware of your statement to question ratio. So statements are when we are presenting our case, presenting the reasons, we're transmitting information. Obviously, questions invite them to participate. They get curious about what's going on. And ideally, you want to be asking more questions than you are presenting statements, because this can really get the other person to think about what's going on, to unpick that and potentially come up with solutions. When that happens, we see that difficult conversations tend to be more successful and get resolved more quickly. So be aware of how many statements you're giving versus how many questions, and try and shift the balance to at least be equal statements to questions, and if you can, more questions and statements. You don't have to wait for a difficult conversation to try this out. You can try it out in a normal conversation to get more comfortable with it so that you feel more able to do it, more prepared to use this really helpful technique when you're in a difficult conversation. Give it a go and let me know. Good luck.